this example, we are going to find all degree solutions of the equation 2 times sine square of 3 theta minus sine of 3 theta minus 1 equals 0. We notice the multiple angle involving into the equation, and the equation has the trig function as a sine function. For our convenience, we're gonna let quantity A be sine of 3 theta. So the equation becomes 2 times a squared minus a minus 1 equals 0, and turns out to be the quadratic equation. Now we're going to solve this quadratic equation, or solving for a. Factor completely. We have 2a and a here, 1 here and 1 here. Have negative sign in the back, positive sign in the front, or we have the factors 2a plus 1 multiplied by a minus 1 equals 0. And we solve each one at a time. So 2a plus 1 equals 0. And the other factor, a minus 1 equals 0. Solve simultaneously. The first one, a is negative 1 over 2. Second one, a equals 1. What is the a? A is the expression sine of 3 theta. So we're going to replace a with the sine of 3 theta. For the sine value negative, an angle 3 theta must be in the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Use the unit circle to help us determine the value in the convenient way. The third quadrant, the sine, which is the second coordinate. The angle we need in the degree form, so it's 210 degrees. And also another value of an angle, which is 330 degrees. So we can rewrite the answer of this one as 3 theta equals first solution as 210 degrees, and the second solution is 330 degrees. So we find all degree solutions. That means we're gonna add the multiple of the revolution or the period. For the sine function, the period is 2 pi or 360 degrees. So we're gonna add by the multiple of 360 degrees, or 360 degrees times k. And then we're gonna solve for theta. Divide both sides by 3. The solution from the first equation here is theta equals 70 degrees plus 120 degrees times k. The second solution is the theta equals 330 divided by 3, or 110 degrees plus 120 degrees times k as the second solution. And the next part, we are going to solve the sine of 3 theta equals 1. The sine value, which is the second coordinate of an angle. If it is, where you go? So if it is 1, so we know that an angle will be 90 degrees. So we set it up as a solution. The 3 theta equals 90 degrees. Make it as all degree solution. We added by 360 degrees times k as a multiple solution. And because the period is, this is the period of the sine function. So the theta equals 90 divided by 3, that becomes 30 degrees plus the period divided by 3 is going to be 120 degrees times k. Now we have 3 sets of the solutions for this problem.